Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You sign into OneDrive now and immediately check how much storage you actually use. This tells you whether to buy more or optimize. Open OneDrive settings and inspect storage, note the used versus available numbers, and empty the recycle bin to reclaim space. Once done, enable Files on Demand so placeholders replace large files locally, reducing disk use without removing cloud copies. Make sure sync is active, and that selective sync excludes huge folders you don't need mirrored on this device. You next pick the right storage option based on your needs and budget. Compare a standalone 100 GB plan versus Microsoft 365 that includes 1 TB per user and Office apps. Once chosen, purchase through account. Microsoft.com or the OneDrive app to ensure billing ties to your Microsoft ID, enter payment details and confirm. After purchase, verify the quota update in Settings Right Arrow Storage. And if you manage multiple users, enable family sharing or assign licenses so everyone gets their allotted space. You finish by confirming the new quota and ensuring devices reflect the increase. Pause, then resume sync or restart the OneDrive app to force an update. If the new storage doesn't appear, clear the OneDrive cache or unlink and relink your account so settings refresh. Make sure local sync paths and files on demand remain correct so you don't re-download everything. Troubleshooting tip. If billing applied but quota stays unchanged, gather your purchase receipt and contact Microsoft support with your account ID to resolve the discrepancy quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.